Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Then we need to tap on More, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see your Forerunner 165. Tap on it. Once you open this page, tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Remove. Then tap on OK. Here you can tap on Settings. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here you should see your Forerunner 165 on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to disconnect it. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.